This is where we take it all back. Either that, or we get nothing. Are you ready? There you go. You can have
Yes,
that
I
one.
am.
Okay, now SAD-ist, also put this one in.
Just do a bloopers one. Just do a bloopers reel.
See, SAD-ist, if you want to put one of those in, you have to put the other one in. I just screamed at the top of my lungs, and there are solicitors and accountants walking around outside my door.
Dream? You okay? This is... do you want me to... Oh no, don't do... No, don't... No, 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 no! My thing!
You guys, that wasn't in the script. That wasn't in the script. That wasn't in the script. Just wait. That wasn't in the script. That wasn't in the script. Just wait. No. Alright.
That's gonna go in the bloopers reel.
It's blurring your mind, Tommy. You realize there's a whole nation over there that we actually have to protect.
I'll stop then. From now on, I won't. I'm sorry. All right, I won't.
Okay, that's good. That's like a
Oh
good
yeah.
first step.
I can't empty the dishwasher. I'm live. What the?
Damn it!
Oh, sorry, pardon.
Damn it!
I will when Mum, I'm in the middle of a war, Mum. I'm live. As I was saying, this nation.
Your fucking way.
And as I was saying, please do not animate that.
I'm burning in the rain right now, and I just... Tommy, I want you to bring me back to life.
What?
Bring it. I don't want...
What the fuck?
No one's no. Everyone is no. Get no one. They don't. They do understand. They don't understand. I understand.
Hello?
Oh. So you've come here to my panic room now. Why now? Why suddenly now when you could have just done this earlier? Why didn't you blow it up immediately?
Just 1 second. Of course my Discord breaks at this moment. 1 second.
Okay. I was doing so well! No!
Ooh, I love waffles.
I need pancakes. No! Please stop! I don't know if it's right for this country.
What? Bazinga!
Nice, guys. Nice.
That's definitely. There's no way that doesn't make it in. Alright. Well, nice to see you.
See you later.
Is he gone?
No, he's like right outside. He's about to let a creeper blow up and ruin my real estate value. Oh, it looks so ugly. Oh, it looks so bad. Why has he done this? Why has he done this? Tommy, you are so bad at hiding. Did you see? Were you eating? Tommy, were you eating a gapple while we were downstairs?
It's my fault. I lost my absorption.
You don't need absorption.
What if he attacks me?
Tommy, you just Tommy, there's like a stack of steak somewhere. Just eat the steak. Just eat the steak, Tommy. Why are you going through my gapples? It's not useful. You just ate another gapple.
What? I didn't have absorption anymore.
Dream, come back, Dream. He's here, please, take him. I'm sick of him, Dream, come back.